In there, guys, it's just a steel mount for Starlink Mini. It slides into the bottom of your Mini. It's got the little tabs there. So slides in like so, and then to get it off, you just lift it out because it has those two mounting lugs there that go into your two ones there. Handy mount that you can it's got a hole and another hole, you can drill it or adapt it as you need. In this case, we were actually doing the roof rack channel mounts in it, and we were just putting two of those in, and that was how the roof rack was mounted on the roof. So that's a good way to be able to actually mount this into the actual roof racks, or pretty much anything you want to screw like a hole into. You know, both your holes here in line, so you can get two of the channel mounts in there, and fairly straightforward. The only thing is that obviously someone could pull the Starlink off. It's not completely locked in because they could actually pull the actual Mini off. Don't know if anyone would bother stealing it, because obviously you can just cancel it, they can't use it, but that is something to be aware of.